You can mix it with paint. You can mix it with ink. You can get really good effects. Anyone can do this technique. You don't need a lot of different colors. You don't need a lot of different materials, pigments. You can mix it with your choice of colors. You get pearlescent. You can get more metallic. Possibilities are endless. If there's a one mica powder to rule them all, it's this one. Micro pearl, very versatile. You can do a lot of different things. You get a really deep luster with this. So in this example, I'm going to use white and black paint and 3 different alcohol inks. So we got tangerine. This one came in a pack. It was really good, super cheap, and I'll put a link in the description below. I don't really know where I got this one, but it's good, and it's gold. And then we're going to use, of course, the Pinata teal. We're going to reuse most of our old cups. I don't know where the other 2 went. And this time we're going to put our epoxy in first. I'm going to put a scoop in 5 of them and leave the other 5 just plain. And then we will mix them. Now, if you're looking just for a marble look, just the micro pearl will do a really, really good job. Now, you'll probably be able to find an equivalent to this brand on the internet. If we look at the consistency, we can see that it is really, really thin, in the sense that, you know, it's kind of like flour or icing sugar, kind of like that. All right, then we're gonna do the paints. Let's just see what we can get with the micro pearl and the white paint. So after you've mixed it thoroughly, you can see the pearlescent in it. If you're gonna do white, you know, you don't even need to add the white paint, but it does look pretty cool, and we'll see the difference afterwards. Then we're gonna do the black. Oh yeah, look at that. Instantly. Now we got more of a silver. Look at that. Look at that. All right, let's do the alcohol ink. Start with teal. And we'll mix it right away so we don't get any chunks. Look at that. This says teal on it, but when I put it in, it's not really that teal when I mix it with the micro pearl. Okay, let's try a metallic gold alcohol ink. Right off the bat, this is a really nice alcohol ink. So that made a really creamy gold. Wow, look at that. Pearlescent metallic gold? I think so. That orange looks really good. Look at that metallic orange. Oh, that's really nice. Add a little bit more. Look at that right there already. I love when that happens. When the alcohol ink, it reacts with the micro pearl and you get instant selling. Okay, now that we put down our colors, it looks really good. We're going to do a simple swipe technique. Okay, now that we torch, we'll take a look here. Oh man, we got more selling here. Oh, we got right here, the white and the orange, the white celled in between the orange. It looks really good. This is really shiny, really pearlescent. Oh, I like this up here. It's a good mix of different things. Good mix of different colors here. It all comes down here. So of course, this is a breadboard and we've modified the epoxy with pigments and ink. So this thing's no longer food safe. So I'm going to wait, 5 hours and then I'm going to do a final coat on top, make this thing food safe because it's important. Once you add things to epoxy, you change the chemical makeup. And, it's no longer food safe afterwards. So we're going to put one more coat on top and I'll see you when it's done. And we're back. So it's been about almost 3 hours now. And we can see that this piece looks really good. Wow. I love this area here. Then we got some selling / webbing here. Then we have this effect here, which I called hammered web. So if you guys want to know how to do this hammered web technique, I will do a technique guide exactly step by step how to do it. It takes some time, but you can do it. You can definitely do it, and it's one of the coolest techniques there is. I don't know if other people do it. I figured it out, and a lot of my artwork, I do this kind of hammer web technique. Either in the description below or on my website, I'm going to put, milestones, first 100, first, 100K, 200K, a million subscribers, and so on and so forth. I'll have, different milestones, and I'll release, different videos. I'll release this technique, have an image transfer technique that I can do that's really, really good and easy to do. So I'm going to make a list. Hopefully by the time you guys see this, I'll have my milestones written in stone, so to speak. That's it for me today. Thank you for joining, and don't forget to be a little artsy. I'll catch you in the next one, guys.